Welcome back to Wooded Lake Adventures. Today we are out at the Wooded Lake property, and you can see behind me, we've got a truck and trailer here, and you can see there's a little activity up by the pole barn. They're actually pouring the concrete floor today. So we're going to go up, see how everything looks, and see what's going on. So the floor for the pole barn is getting all wrapped up, doing the polishing, smoothing out the concrete. I think that will wrap up today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Please give our video a like. Please share it with your friends. Please subscribe to our channel so you know when we post new videos, and leave us a comment. Thank you.